We'll guide you through how to use Omino Diffusion Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight motion on your device. Once it has finished loading, press Create New Project to start a new project. Set up the project settings according to your preference by choosing the options that fit your editing needs. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add media. Browse through your files, select the footage that you want to use, and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been added successfully, select the footage layer and open the effect browser. Inside the effect browser, search for Omino Diffusion. When you find the effect, select it and add it to the footage layer. After the effect has been applied, open the Omino Diffusion settings to begin adjusting the effect. The angle setting controls the direction of the glitch effect, so adjust it according to the look you want. The strength setting controls how strong the glitch effect appears on the footage. Next, adjust the steps value to control the glitch frequency. Use the error weight setting to adjust the amount of glitch error that appears in the effect. You can also customize the glitch palette according to your preference. If you want to create your own palette, change the palette presets option to custom 2 color, custom 3 color, custom 4 color, custom 5 color, or custom 6 color. The selected color number represents how many colors you want to use for the glitch palette. After selecting the palette preset, open the custom palette settings and adjust the colors according to your preference until the glitch effect matches the appearance you want. Continue changing the settings until you are satisfied with the final result. Play the preview to see how the effect looks on your footage. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully used the Omino Diffusion effect in Alight motion.